Dope. How long should you stay in maintenance before doing another cut? As long as
you need for biofeedback to improve. I think there's a difference between a maintenance. So there's a diet break, which is a period of time that you go to maintenance.
Breaking your diet.
Then there's a maintenance phase, and then I think there is like a maintenance season, which are so there's 3 different things. A diet break is 2 weeks or less. So anywhere between 3 days and 14 days, basically, is of just eating at maintenance to take a small break from the diet. And those are usually repeated. So in a 24-week diet, we take 4 2-week diet breaks throughout the process or something like that. A maintenance phase is anywhere between, in my opinion, 4 to 8 weeks. So this is where like we did a 12-week cut. We're not at our result yet, but we know it would be smarter from a health, long-term result, periodization perspective for us to take a 1 to 2 month period at maintenance and then jump back into the cut for another 12 weeks. That leads to 24 weeks of dieting plus 4 to 8 weeks of maintaining, which is quite a bit. I mean, that's, what is that? 30 to 34 weeks or something like that. 30 to 32 weeks of total work. And then there's a maintenance season, and that's where like you finished your diet and you're going to stay at maintenance for as long as you need to until your body is healthy and ready again. Yeah. And that's usually like you finished a diet and you achieved the result. So the differences are diet breaks are within the diet. A maintenance phase is like you dieted a little too hard or your body's just taking a hit. Let's pull back for a little bit and get back after it because you're not at your goal yet. And then a maintenance season is like you reached your goal. You just need to fully recover because in the future, whether it's 6 months or a year away, you're probably going to want to cut or turn up performance or something again. And we need your body in a healthy position to do so.
Definitely.